Hey everyone, what's up? So it's your boy Yashva Gaming. Well, if you're in this channel, guys, I would like you to kill me and smash that little subscribe button and also ring that bell notification, because whenever I drop a brand new video to you, who's gonna get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to correctly uninstall and install GPU drivers. Alright, your graphic cards drivers. Alright, so when installing GPU drivers, it is always recommended to delete the current drivers first. So that is, I would like to downgrade. Alright, because right now using this latest drivers, which is version 5.16.94, when I'm using this version to mine a nice hash, because the card is 100% electrical card. It is a full electrical card, so I would like to unlock it. So that's why I need to downgrade the card. So it is always best recommended to delete the current drivers first. So you can do this using a free tool, which is display drivers uninstall, DDU. You're gonna find a link down below in the video description to download that display driver uninstaller tool. It's a free tool, and also it is recommended that you disconnect your internet connection, whether you're connected using Wi-Fi or via LAN cable, wired. You can disconnect your internet connection. So basically, guys, in this guide I will cover 3 essential steps when reinstalling GPU drivers. So the first step will be downloading the drivers. Second step will be deleting the drivers with the display driver uninstaller, and third step will be installing the drivers. I'm gonna do a video for you how you're gonna run the DDU, that means the display driver uninstaller. You're gonna disconnect your internet. Alright, so basically after you've downloaded the display driver, the DDU, display driver uninstaller, you wanna right click run as administrator. Alright, and if you don't see it, alright, so here it is, it has popped up. And also make sure that you disconnect your internet connection. How you're gonna do that is by going over here, click there and click disable. Alright, like this, disable internet connection. Alright, and also here NVIDIA settings, I'm gonna exit like that. Alright, I'm gonna select GPU NVIDIA. So you want to select that, and as you can see, GPU detected. It's already detected my GPUs, the last version drivers detected, and so on. So here what you need to do is you're gonna click this, the first one, which is clean and restart, highly recommended. Alright guys, so we're back. Alright, I have restarted the PC, and as you can see, I still haven't connected to the internet. Make sure your internet connection still is disabled. Alright, it is still disabled. I have unplugged the Ethernet cable as well, and now this is a driver. So what you're gonna do is right click run as admin. If prompted, click yes, click OK, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna install this properly. Alright, let me show you that. So right now it is checking the compatibility. So you wanna here you can choose NVIDIA graphic drivers, or you can go with the GeForce Experience as well. So I'm gonna choose agree and continue. Here choose custom. Click next and choose the graphics drivers only. And select that. Alright, so you can select these as well, HD audio drivers. And you're gonna hit next. So it has finished install. Alright, next you have to check whether you have the correct drivers installed. How you're gonna do that is you're gonna run GPU-Z. Alright, this one, tech power up GPU-Z, and you're gonna check for a driver version. As you can see here, driver version, voila. NVIDIA 512.77. okay, the driver version is 512.77. all right, boom, you've successfully installed. And now you can just go ahead and plug in your internet connection, and then right click here, go to network, go to this and click enable. All right.